This is a recipe for mushroom. What?
Bendakayi fry.
Bhindi fry.
Add 2 tablespoons of oil. And very less oil. Now add the onions.
There is no naughty tomato here.
Or potato.
Yeah. I think they have taken a break.
Yeah. I think they escaped this time not to be cooked.
Saute.
Sort it.
Sort it. This requires very less oil. This is the quickest bindi recipe, I think.
Yeah. Now add garlic.
When mummy went to somewhere, okay, so dad and son also cooks very easily.
Now add the green chillies. Sort it well. Add bhindi,
Bendekayi.
lady's finger,
Yeah. Okra. Any other names? I guess not.
yeah. Add salt. Now add fresh grated coconut.
Hey, one thing you know, Swaraj, bendakayi tinte chaala telu vastundanta.
Yeah. She's saying
It looks like salt.
so
Switch off the flame.
if you eat bendi, you will get lot of good memory. So eat lots of bindi.
So you will become very good in mathematics.
And
I'll
everything.
say one joke about bhindi.
Yeah.
Bendekayi. Bendekayi means bande means flour. Kai means bande will be kai.
Enough. Now the dish is
This
ready.
is ready.
This is ready already. Just in 2 to 3 minutes ready.
Yes.
Dish.
Very yummy, spicy.
Wow.
It was not so spicy
Let's
when
eat
I ate.
family
Next time
together.
when mommy goes out of town, let's make it.
Yep.
Okay. Bye.
Please subscribe, like and share our channel.